herself is B. Srinidhi. I'm Srinidhi. We are from Karimnagar district.
Which school is it?
We are Trinity Model Secondary School. In this modern age, we are producing, manufacturing a lot of automobiles, which are running as if based on the fuels, fossil fuels. So it is polluting our environment completely. So to avoid all these things, we have came with a new concept of using water as a fuel. We are running the cars. So generally, let us know generally how the engine cars and autos works. And we are running the car. Let us see the just general outline of the engine car. How does it work? Here we have in this engine car we have a carburetor. We have a carburetor which mixes the air and the petrol. So it is in the same ratio. So when it mixes, that combustion it sends to the combustion chamber. So energy is produced. Thus, a general car works on this principle. But when it comes to this hydrogen car, it's quite different from this. When it comes to this hydrogen car, it is quite different. The general hydrogen car consists of a process called, it consists of two processes mainly. One is electrolyzer and another one is PEM membrane. Generally we knew it. What is electrolysis process? It is nothing but the decomposition of gases into H2 and O2 gases by breaking the bond structure of H2O with the help of electricity. So that when we break this bond structure of electricity by using electricity, these separated gases are sent into a PEM membrane with the internal some circuit and all those things. So when these here PEM membrane comes to that, it contains mainly four parts. First one is anode, cathode, catalyst and electrolyte membrane. Here anode is completely filled with a catalyst called as platinum, and electrolyte membrane is beside of that. So when we supply this hydrogen gas to the anode, it becomes into H plus and H minus ions. So the main work of this electrolyte membrane is to attract the positive charged particles. So these will be attracting the positive charged particles, and this catalyst only allows the positive particles to run over, but not the electrons. Electrons will be stagnated there itself. So when we connect this an external circuit to it, we can produce electricity. And here we can see O gas is stagnated there itself. So two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen combines to form again water. So in this way, while this reaction is taking place, some of the heat energy is released. So excess of heat and all these things are liberated out. So here the main concept is, it is an eco-friendly system. It only was water vapor and heat, but not any carbon monoxide or any harmful gases. Here 100% of fuel is used so that the pollution will not be occurred. You can refer all these things, pictures based on it.
job? What's your ambition?
Astrobiologist.
What's your ambition?
My ambition is to become an IITian.
So,